Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre D250 First Edition, finished in Pangea green metallic paint, with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, folding fabric roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we can see the electrically deployable toolbar. As we look now into the load space, we can see the 40/20/40 rear folding seats with the load space cover. Entering into the cabin now, we can see the fabric roof from the inside, and we have the Acorn window leather seats with centre armrest and ISOFIX child seat mounts. Entering to the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card. As we turn into view the front seats, with the jump seat in the middle. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel. We have the cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated seat controls, as well as the 3D surround camera display. On the centre console we can see the 2-zone climate control with the ride height buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.